If you want to set your own picture as a watch face on your Redmi Watch 6, then what you need to do is you need to go to the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app on your phone. So once you open it, of course, make sure that you have device selected and choose your Redmi Watch 6. Then here, where we have Manage Watch Faces, you should be able to tap on All on the right side. Here in the Online section, you want to tap on All. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to find the Custom option. We want to go to Custom. Here we have 4 options, at least currently there are 4 options to choose from. So you can choose whichever style you prefer to use. So let's say I'm just going to choose this portrait because I want the clock at the top. There we go. Now we should be able to apply the portrait. So let's wait for the watch face to be installed on our Redmi Watch 6. There we go. As you can see, it has been applied straight away. But now we should be able to also tap on Edit right next to the applied button. So we're going to tap here, and then in the background, we can choose Add Photo, and then press this plus button, and you can choose Gallery or any file manager, which will help you find and choose the picture that you want to set on your watch. So let's say I'm going to choose this picture over here. There we go. Now I'm going to select it. Here we have, of course, some small customizations. We can make some small adjustments here and there. For example, we can also zoom in and zoom out, so we can even hide the clock behind the object if something stands out on the picture. You can also just put it in front or move it to the bottom. It's up to you how you would like to use it. And then we're gonna save. There we go. Now let's see if it's going to be updated. All right, it is updated here. We have our photo. If you want to, you can make some further changes, like here we have the style color. So for example, I'm going to set the red color for the clock and so on and so forth. So make sure to check out other settings in here as well. But then just tap on the apply button and then let's wait a couple of seconds and we should be able to have our custom watch face updated. And there we go. As you can see, it works very easily. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.